Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to contact Wealthsimple by phone. Now, I know you might be thinking, why would I want to call Wealthsimple? Well, there are a few reasons. Maybe you have a question about your account that you can't find the answer to online. Maybe you're having a problem with your account and you need to talk to someone directly. Or maybe you just want to talk to a real person about your finances. Whatever the reason, I'm going to show you how to contact Wealthsimple by phone. But before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about Wealthsimple. Wealthsimple is a financial technology company that offers a variety of investment and banking services. They're known for their simple and easy-to-use platform, which makes it easy for people to manage their money. One of the things that I really like about Wealthsimple is that they have a dedicated customer support team. If you have any questions or problems, you can call them and talk to a real person. So, how do you contact Wealthsimple by phone? Well, the first thing you need to do is go to their website. Once you're on their website, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Contact Us link. This will take you to a page where you can enter your contact information and submit a request for help. You can also call Wealthsimple directly at 1-855-255-9038. Once you've contacted Wealthsimple, you'll be connected to a customer service representative who can help you with whatever you need. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching, and until next time.